How to fix Microsoft Store not working on Windows 11. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and make sure you're connected to your internet. So go ahead and connect to your internet and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, you simply want to go ahead and run Microsoft Store as a troubleshooter. So for that, in the search bar, go ahead and search for settings. Go ahead and open it up. Once you're inside the settings of your PC, simply tap on System, then press on Troubleshoot right over here. Inside Troubleshoot, go ahead and tap on Other Troubleshooters, and just like so, search for Microsoft Store. If you don't find it in the search bar, go ahead and search for it. And just like so, simply tap on Find and Fix Problem with Microsoft Store app. And just like so, simply press on Next and it will troubleshoot your Microsoft Store apps. Once you are done, head back to your home screen and check if it's working or not. If not, you want to go ahead and simply clear the cache. For that, in your keyboard, go ahead and press on Windows plus R and Run is going to open up. So inside here, you want to go ahead and type in wsreset.exe, and just like that, it will automatically clear your Microsoft Store cache. Once it is done, if it still does not fix your issue, you want to go ahead and reset it. For that, open Settings. Inside Settings, you want to go ahead and tap on Apps. Inside here, tap on Installed Apps. Inside Installed Apps, you want to go ahead and simply scroll below, then tap on System Components. Inside System Components, you'll find Microsoft Store. From here, press on this three-dot icon, then simply tap on Advanced option. Now inside here, scroll below, then you'll find two options under Reset. First of all, you want to go ahead and tap on Repair, and if it does not work, tap on Reset. And after you're done with everything, go ahead and restart your PC, and just like so, you'll then be able to fix your issue. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.